Well, it's about 8:45 on Sunday, November the 2nd. Starting of the Best of France and Italy car show. Starting out a little slow this morning because of all the rain. We'll see what happens here.
John Contreras is back there with all his license plates. All sorts of license plates back there. If you're looking for something, he might have it. SoCal Citron, they're right out here in front of me. They got a table out there. Got a little stuff ready. And more fun. And the food's going to be coming pretty soon. And everything like that there.
Arrête de boire, ta bouche barre et tous les gens te regardent comme si t'avais trois têtes. Je viens, mais ne me condamne pas que je suis...
Something with a G. He was one of he also worked with Carver. Your body, and dude, even more so now than probably 40, like, yeah, it's probably around that.